I'm gonna do an oil change in this. Of course, I jacked up the wrong side first. It's been a while. Giving them time. I'd say she's about done. Yeah, time to change the filter. Okay, so this is not coming off. Damn oil filter. I'm looking for one of those wrenches for taking off an oil filter. All my tools have been moved. And what do you know? Found one. Now that was a pain in the ass to remove. And it looks like there has been mice in here. Alright, so if anyone knows where this connection here is, it looks like it's part of the fuel rail, but it looks like it's more like a thermometer. Tell me what it is so I can replace this wire. And now, get the gasket oiled up and put on the new filter. Gasket is oiled up, and now just put this back on hand tight, not like the last one which was put on by He-Man. So here we go. Okay, and it just about filled up this, so that's about 4 liters, and so I guess I'll put in 4 liters. I think what I meant to say was 5 liters, yeah. No, I meant to say 4.4. Huh. One thing too, I had this old, had this air filter just laying around. I bought it a long time ago. I forget what car it was for. But I figured, you know, I'd change the filter on the 240. And this is the old one. And you can see, it just so happens to be, I think, the exact same filter. So that was a score, just hanging around in my parts, and it fits. Rock on. There's nothing dripping down there. Now just for a little test drive. I put a little piece of tape on top of that, this connector here. Still not sure what that is. If anyone knows what that is, let me know. This is the K24 single overhead cam. It's a 1990 240SX. Well, there was just that chick that was in my house. She was a friend from a long time ago, but I guess she's in film school or something now, and so she's going to be coming out this weekend and doing a music video, or she's shooting it, so maybe I'll shoot some of that too. Should be interesting. As for the car, just started elbow up. Feels pretty good. It's just like half throttle. Running a lot better than before. Feels good, feels good. Alright, time to go buy some mints, I think. Got my mints, and I just saw, it's amazing. I just saw a truck from, it's a boxing company, like box up industrial stuff. But I think that was the first like big website I ever designed. I'm gonna see if I can film the guy. Well, that sucks. I just pulled out. He'd already left. So yet again, I've been eluded. This time by a giant truck. Maybe I can catch up to him. I doubt it.